The tropical savanna, a vast and diverse land full of some of the most unique creatures on the planet. This one-of-a-kind environment is a sight to see, but it's not a quick trip if you're planning on visiting. You'll have to travel across the oceans to a number of countries all clustered conveniently around the equator. After all, that is where this biome thrives. This climate consists of two distinct seasons throughout the year, wet and dry. Almost all of the year's rain falls within the summer and fall months, while the rest of the year is full of cool, dry weather, low rainfall, and low humidity. Because the average yearly rainfall is not high enough to support a forest ecosystem, you'll be sure to find expansive grasslands scattered with shrubs, smaller isolated trees, and rolling hills that include a plethora of different grass species. The savannas do consist of intermittent rivers, and during the wet season, water levels fluctuate from low to high, providing plenty of drinking water for the animals and plants. Animals here have grown used to low water levels in the dry season, and will make treks every year towards the rivers as they increase with rainfall. This includes elephants, giraffes, lions, antelope, cheetahs, wildebeests, and more. As a product of the dry grasses throughout the summer, wildfires are not uncommon. A fire can start on the dime and spread across acres of land. This environmental issue is not only a threat to the resident animals, but also a threat to the diversity of grasses and vegetation. With so much being burned at once, it is easy to lose species of plants. Scientists have conducted ongoing research in order to address the fire regimes, and even purposely set contained fires to record the survival rate of vegetation. This leads to a greater knowledge on which species are the strongest and how we can protect them in the future. Humans are also a major issue when it comes to the savannas. Hunters and poachers scrape the land in hopes to get a hold of prizes such as elephant and rhino tusks, and rangers take it upon themselves to combat this crime the best they can. And overhunting has led to the imminent endangerment and even extinction of certain species, such as the black rhino. With a range from sunny northern Australia to eastern Africa and parts of India and South America, the tropical savanna biome is unique to each location. Soils are usually thin and porous, allowing for water to soak in quickly. Most trees you'll find have evolved taproots, which are long, large roots with the ability to reach far down to the water table. Baobab trees, for example, have thick, meaty trunks that hold water through droughts. Other shorter vegetation, such as the acacia tree, has developed bitter or thorny leaves to deter the regular grazers. And smooth rolling hills tell the tale of ancient mountain formations met by extensive erosion. Over time, the slight elevations we see now have been weathered away by regular winds that gust their way across the grasslands. Being a biome that relies heavily on driving climate patterns such as the amount of sun and rainfall per year, the tropical savanna is one that thrives on uniformity. But this biome holds a multitude of distinct wildlife and history that is ever-growing and bursting with beauty. It is a world of its own in need of respect and appreciation, so we can ensure that this valuable piece of earth lives on forever.